Good morning class, it's our chemistry video, class 9th, part 10. Student, in previous video we covered the topic diffusion and evaporation. And our first chapter, which is matter in our surrounding, is almost completed. In this video we will revise the whole chapter, and if any doubt it will be also clear by revising the chapter again. And students, you have to make your notes because it's your first time in 8th class. You just copy your questions, answer and exercise, but in 9th class it's different. So मैं आपको टॉपिक बताऊंगी और आपको उसके नोट प्रिपेयर करने हैं अपनी नोटबुक में। जितने भी हमने वीडियोस में टॉपिक पढ़े हैं, मैंने आपको जो नोट शो करे हैं, यू हैव टू मेक द नोट्स. Okay, so first we revise the chapter again. So let's start. Okay, then start from starting. What is matter? We all know that now कि matter क्या है. वो चीज़ जिसमें स्पेस होती है, मास होती है, मास होता है, that thing is matter. Like our pencil, when we put something on the table, या फिर like chalk, blackboard, these all things have a mass and a space, so it is a matter. And we discuss like air, water, these all things are also matter. Our universe is made up of matter. Next we discuss some properties. Properties like the particles of matter are very small, they having the space, they are constantly moving and they attract each other. First, particles of matter are very small, we can't see them with naked eye, so they are made up of atom. Next we discuss about particles having space, in which we saw the example of ink and water. मैं आपको फिर से एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. लाइक जैसे हमने वाटर का बीकर लिया है and we put ink in it, so the molecules of the ink start getting dissolved. इसमें दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, द मोशन की भी एंड स्पेस की भी. वाई? बिकॉज द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द वाटर हैविंग सम स्पेस through which the particles of ink start getting dissolved. This is the first property. Second, they are constantly moving because the ink particles and water particle are different. So some motion, some constant motion between those particles, they get mixed easily. So the particles of matter are always in motion with some constant speed, and it is related to our diffusion topic also, which we revised in our part 9th video. Next, the particle of matter attract each other with the help of such force of attraction, like the wall having some force through which the particles are very close to each other. And I give you example of like water. When you tap on the tap and you put the finger in the middle of the water and it splits up, but below your finger it start getting attract. So some force of attraction in liquid also, but in gas the force of attraction is very less. If we apply pressure on the gas, the particles of that gas come closer to each other also. Okay, next we discuss some properties like solid, liquid and gas, which are the three states of matter. First is solid. It having a fixed shape, you can see from the picture, fixed shape and volume. It can't compress, high density, and they do not flow. Next, liquid. They don't have fixed shape but a fixed volume, and they compress but very low pressure, and they can flow. Next, gas. Next is properties of gas. They can't have a fixed shape or nor a volume because their particles are randomly arranged, and they can be compressed easily like glue. If अगर आप ग्लू को कंप्रेस करोगे, उसमें गैस है, उसके पार्टिकल्स रैंडमली अरेंज्ड हैं, वो कंप्रेस हो जाएगा. बट नेक्स्ट, flow easily, fill their container completely, and very low density. So these are some properties which we already discussed. Next we discuss interconversion in the state. This can be done by changing the temperature and by changing the pressure. इसी में स्टूडेंट इस चार्ट से ही हमारा पूरा चैप्टर रिवाइज हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इसी में ही हम लैटेंट हीट भी पढ़ेंगे, किस तरीके से लैटेंट हीट एब्जॉर्ब होती है, कैसे प्रेशर का इफेक्ट पड़ता है, और डिफ्यूजन हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. सो फर्स्ट the process when the solid changes into the liquid process, so that process is melting point. Like हमने example ली थी ice. When the ice melt, it changes into liquid form and the melting point is 0 degree Celsius. But if we reverse the process, then the liquid changes to a solid known as freezing. Okay, so how the process will depend on the force, which is force of attraction. जब force of attraction high होगा, then it changes to a solid again, because solid having the much force of attraction. Next, when the liquid converted to a gas, or the process through which the liquid converts to the gas is known as evaporation. Like boiling of water, it converted to vapor, and the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. But if we reverse the process, and you can call it the process through which the gas converted to the liquid is known as condensation. Like when you boil the water and you cover with the lead, when you boil the water, so it will convert into vapor form. Vapor form है वो lead पे जाके they will form some droplets of what? Liquid. So when the gas converted to the liquid again, it's known as condensation. Next, if the solid directly converted to the gas, it's known as sublimation, or if we reverse the process like gas converted to solid again, it's a sublimation again. So it's a journal chart of interconversion on the basis of temperature. जैसे सॉलिड जब डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट होता है गैस में, उसमें नॉर्मल एग्जांपल थी लाइक नैफ्थलीन बॉल्स एंड अ कैम्फर विच इज़ अ कपूर. We already discussed this whole topic in brief in our last videos, and just revised you, and you have to prepare this chart also. So now the question is how these changes occur. They need some heat, and we talked about some latent heat in last video. What is latent heat, students? It is the hidden heat in the object or in the substance through which the changes occur. It's just they are already absorbed, or you can call it as absorbed heat through which the change occurs. Like example, ice is a solid. When it takes heat from our hand, first it takes heat from our hand. Why? To lose its molecules, or to lose the force of attraction. When the force of attraction loses, it converted to a liquid. जितना ज़्यादा मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होगा, उसका फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा. जितना ज़्यादा फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होगा, इट नीड्स दैट मच latent heat. Okay, so they are all interrelated terms. You have to just understand the basic. Latent heat is what? It's a hidden heat or absorbed heat which is used to change the state only, not to increase the temperature. And when the solid converted to a liquid, it's known as latent heat of fusion, in which the one quantity or the quantity of the heat required to change the solid or 1 kilogram of solid into a liquid is known as latent heat of fusion. We already discussed it with some experiment. Same as when the liquid converted to a gas, it needs some also heat. जो हम जब बॉयल करते हैं किसी वाटर को, फर्स्ट जो वो हीट लेता है, दे टेक हीट फर्स्ट टू लूज इट्स मॉलिक्यूल एंड यू कैन called as it absorbs some heat first for losing the molecules which converted then into gas, so you can call as latent heat of evaporation. When the liquid converted to a gas or it needs some heat, so it is a latent heat of evaporation. Now sublimation, when जब जो solid है like naphthalene balls or camphor when convert to the gas, so that solid is called sublime. But when the gas converted to the solid, or the solid will obtain when the gas converted to solid, so it is known as sublimate. Okay. Common example like dry ice. Dry ice is what? It is a carbon dioxide in the solid form. When we apply pressure on the dry ice, which is solid, it converts to the gas, which is carbon dioxide gas. But when we apply the pressure on that gas, so it's again converted into the solid and form its original state, which is dry ice. So it is the interconversion of states we revised. In next video we will revise some pressure effect. Okay, and then our chapter is completed. Students, now I will tell you how to make your notes. Okay, so like अभी हमने जितना चैप्टर रिवाइज करा वो सब आपको नोट्स बनाने हैं उसके, like matter. You have to write matter as a heading and the define is anything which occupies space and mass, it's a matter. And you can explain with diagram also, but you have to discuss some diagram representation which is very effective for exams. And then you write to states some properties like having a small nature, space, constantly moving, matter attract each other. फिर जो हमने एग्जाम्पल्स ली थी जैसे इंक की एंड स्पेस की एंड फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, वो सब आपको राइट डाउन करना है इन योर नोटबुक. अब आपके नोट्स बनेंगे स्टूडेंट, यू डोंट डिपेंड ऑन द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लाइक इन 8th क्लास. इट्स योर हायर क्लास, सो यू हैव टू मेक योर नोट्स विच वी स्टडीड in last videos. Same as next state of matter or classification. Then you have to write properties of solid. First you define what is solid, then you write point wise like fixed shape and cannot compress. You can explain with diagram also, like fixed shape, it can't compress, you can show with arrow. Next we discuss some interconversions. It is now messy, but you have to prepare that chart. You can easily understand from this. Now in next video we will discuss our new topic and revise the further topics. Okay.